Good evening from Graham Family Farm. It's January 20th, 2025, and it's about 4:30 or so, and it's about 32 degrees. Just got to finish watering the animals and feeding them hay, and some leftover pumpkins from the goats that didn't eat, so transferred it over to the pig pens, and they sure do like those pumpkins. Anyway, overall it's been a pretty decent day. The weather held out. Yeah, it's just been cold all day though, which is fine. It is that time of year. You can see there's still ice in the ground and in the water dishes. Yeah, I can't wait for spring.